Hi, my name is Yuki. I'm here today in Australia display home at Rowville Bankside Estate to show you how me and my family make dumplings to celebrate Lunar New Year. Firstly, we're going to make the dough into little pieces, so probably around 2 to 3 centimeters, I will say. You need some dry flour, just put on top, just to make sure they not stick to each other. Make it flat first, and then you roll it. With these things, my mom always laugh at me because I never make them in a perfect shape. So I pre-made the few as well with beef and celery. So what you could do, you put that inside and you just put the two sides together from middle, and then just to wrap it from both sides, but make sure you do it firmly because we're going to put in the water and boil it. And now it's about, I think it depends as for the cooktop you're having, it's probably about 10 to 15 minutes. And now it's get ready. Hi, it's time to eat now. So we have the dumpling ready. Thank you for having me today to show you to make dumpling, and wish everyone have a wonderful Lunar New Year. Thank you. See you guys.